Hi, my name is Lynn, and I'm gonna sing a song. Okay, here we go. I thought I saw a man brought to life. He was warm, he came around, and he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry. Well, he couldn't be that man I adored. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. The conversation has run dry, and that's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm ashamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is dawn. I'm a little late, I'm already